How to buy Morpho, the Morpho Labs token. Now, to be able to do that, before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, make sure to take a look on their X account. They have a big community. Now go and check it. Now, to be able to buy this token, as you can see, open this token in CoinMarketCap. Now, to be able to buy it, just copy this token address. Now, make sure to copy with Base Network. After you copy it, just go and open your Bitget wallet. Now, we will use the Bitget wallet to buy this token. Now, after you open it, we need to add this token to our Bitget wallet. Now, click on little plus icon. Make sure you select the Base Network from here, as you can see. And now paste the token address, as you can see from here. Now, after you find your token, as you can see, the token is not listed anymore, but you can now add it to your wallet. So after you click on plus icon, the token will be added to our Bitget wallet. Now scroll down and you'll find your token, as you can see here. Now click on it and click on this plus icon. Now before that, click on copy the token address and click on buy. After that, they will redirect you to Bitget to complete the buy process. Now after that, as you can see, our page is loading. Now select your currency, for example USD, and after you select your currency, now from here just type how much of USD you want to buy. That's how much of USDT you want to receive. Now after you paste your token address, as you can see, you can now click on buy, and now after that just complete the buy process to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the Morpho token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.